Have you ever recently bought your new bike? Or have you ever bought a new a new bike seat but didn't actually fit? Fortunately, there's only one. Even though you've already read instructions, but well, there's only best way to to repair parts of, to repair your bicycle in whole or part. You need to contact your bike repair your local bike repair center today. Here's how it works. You first get your old you first get your new bike, then attach then and if it then then your bike then the repair workers will still handle the work for you. The repair usually take at least 10 to 20 minutes. It if not then if none of these repairs don't work for your new bike, then you would like we would like we would like you to return your recently bought bike bicycle seat and refund, and you'll get automatically refunded anytime. Thanks for thanks for your attention, and have a nice biking trip.